and gentlemen, good evening everyone. Welcome back to my channel, and I welcome you to my next session. So this is our last video about the confusing lotions that do not whiten. The lotion I'm gonna talk about today, it's ancient, it's old, it's not new, but it's still confusing people. It has been around for a long time. Those who are so much into skincare, you all know this lotion doesn't do anything. But those who are new, there every day we get new people, so they need to know if it really does something. So which lotion am I talking about? I'm talking about the Nature Secret lotion. It has three versions. We have the organic, we have the carrot, and the gold. So this one is the organic. Let me first talk about the organic. So the organic is for dark girls, chocolate girls. That's its format. It's for chocolate girls who just want to glow but not to whiten. Although when you look at it, you know, the packaging, it's so convincing. So it has these dark legs, and then it has those very yellow legs. Yes, that's the packaging, that's the box. So when you look at it, you might get confused, but the white one is organic. It's for dark girls who want to just glow. It will not do anything to your skin. Those who are into skin lightening, you will not whiten with this organic Nature Secret lotion. Those who are dark, those who are chocolate, and you just want to stay black, remain chocolate, remain black, but the glowing black, you can buy this range. It has a serum, it has soap. Just pour the serum into the lotion, and then you get that nice desired black glow that you're looking for. You know, also dark girls need to brighten a little bit. I won't use lightening because lightening is more than brightening. You just need to brighten a little bit. Yes, then you get off, like, that brightening helps you polish off the dark sunshine tag. It's like when you use the soap, because the soap is an exfoliator, it has scrub in it, so it's like you're scrubbing off the dark sunshine tags or the dead cells, and you just brighten a little bit. So if you know you're so into skin lightening, skin whitening, organic is not for you. Yes, so let's move to carrot. This is the carrot. Nature Secret carrot lotion. It's orange inside. Now this is a lotion that's gonna give you that orange color. When you see the word carrot or papaya, I want you to always note that you're gonna get the carrot or papaya color, not light yellow. The way those fruits look like, their color, that's what you're gonna get. Don't expect to get light yellow from something with a carrot or a papaya. Okay, yes. So But this lotion will lighten you when you have never really applied very strong cosmetics on your skin. Now if you have ever lightened yourself, like extreme lightening and extreme whitening, this lotion is gonna darken you, so you don't have to buy it. It's going to darken you big time. It will lighten someone who has been dark or light naturally and just wants to boost her skin, like just wants to upgrade to like 2 shades. Yeah, so when I say lightening, I don't want you to buy this lotion when you have already begun this journey like a long time ago, or you have just begun but you have used extreme whitening lotions or creams or soaps or oils, whatever it is you have used. It will make you dark. And to those who are beginners, it won't give you extreme lightening. It's just a carrot light, 2 shades only. Yes, it will give you only two shades only. Yes, but when you look at the packaging, you might think this is something that really whitens, because the pictures there, they have very white legs. The lady there has very white legs. They show that she was dark, she had very dark legs, and now the legs are white. That is not true. Nature Secrets orange. So let's move to the gold. Now this is the gold. This gold color, the bottle is gold. The bottle is gold. The bottle is gold. When we talk of gold, okay, they just show that the lotion will make you gold, like the golden color. Yes, I won't say this lotion does not do that. It does that. It really gives that golden color. But to people who have not applied cosmetics that are strong, like Puric, those ones I've been talking about, Easy Glow, Golden Face, those strong lotions, if you have not yet applied that, this lotion will work on you. But if you have already applied strong ones, it's gonna darken you. You will not get the gold that you want. It gives that mild gold, so you should have a virgin skin, a skin that hasn't yet been touched with very powerful cosmetics. Yes, but don't buy it thinking it's gonna give you that extreme light or white. It does not. Okay. Yes, so Nature Secrets range, always remember, as you're buying this, as you're using this, you have to add the serum and you shower with the soap. The carrot has the orange carrot soap, the organic has the white organic soap, and the gold has the gold soap. But this lotion has, yes, it has very many duplicates. In my country, it's so hard to get hold of the original. This lotion, I started seeing it in my country like in 2012, and we had the original. People were changing, like they had a very nice color. But of course, when your skin is still virgin, they were changing. But like after 2 months, we have never seen the original again. So my Ugandan girls, as you're rushing for this lotion, keep in mind that we don't have originals, apart from those people who get it from the country where it's made from. But if you're hoping to go and buy these lotions, if you're a wholesaler, retailer, whatever it is, and you're hoping to buy these lotions from Kampala to stock in your cosmetics store, then you won't get original. If you want to get original, you should buy from people who buy it from outside. People are getting these containers, they're making these containers by themselves, they are making these boxes by themselves, they are copying these covers, and they are pouring in whatever it is I do not know of. Even the smell is so different. But when you get hold of the originals, this lotion, this range is so good, but for virgin skins. Yes, so that's it for you. That's the Nature Secret range that people are telling me is confusing them. So that was all. I just want to talk about one more point. Those who sent me money and you did not give me your addresses where I should post these cosmetics to, I have written to you on WhatsApp. Please reply, give me your details, give me your addresses. Please include your zip code, your post code. I need the zip code. Okay, then those I sent money back to, and you send the money back to me and you're not telling me what you're buying. Please clarify what you're buying, okay? Because when I sent you back the money, you also sent it back to me. And if you get your things, please tell me you have received, okay? I always ask, but sometimes, you know, I get caught up. So when you receive, please let me know. If you have not yet received, also please let me know. If I sent you back the money and you sent it back, please clarify, okay? Tell me the products you need. And those I WhatsApped, I repeat, those I WhatsApped and asked for your information. Those who gave me information without the zip code, without the post code, please clarify with me, okay? Give me clarity. Yeah, so that's it about Nature Secret. I'm hoping to give you the new. I have stock, new lotions. new lotions, 2021 lotions that have been made, and they're GC. They'll give you what you want. Yes, so stick around. Tell a friend to subscribe, okay? That was all. I want to wish you a nice day. Good evening, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Good night, wherever you are. Those in Deutsch countries, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Nacht. Yes. That was all, and I love you. Bye bye. I'm out.